Hello! So, let me show you something. This game of peace is something exclusive in China. It looks like this, comes with its own editor and stuff like this. So, let's start at the beginning. What is Game of Peace? Well, Tencent launched Game of Peace as alternative to PUBG because it was banned in China. So they just remade the same thing for the Chinese market. It's also created by Tencent Mobile at different play modes, classics, I don't know. It still has an official website where you can download it. As you see, I've translated stuff of it, but yeah, if you know Chinese, you can just download the game. And as far as I know, you can also still download this editor from there, but you will need a QQ account, which is Chinese exclusive. And yeah, you can already see it's Game of Peace at qq.com, and this also is translated and stuff. So for anyone outside China, it doesn't really help much to even have this editor. As far as I understand, this was made so it's let's say possible for players to make their own maps and then play them against each other. So they made a big editor that just contains a lot of assets, and then you can make maps with it. So well, we got a copy of this, and obviously we don't have an QQ account, so we had to edit a little bit of stuff here to make it runnable for us. So here's this exe file that we created, which is patched the login and the watermarks away. All of this will be, I will share a link in the description where you can download everything. Also, you might have seen in my other videos that I already adapted my Unreal to Unity importer to be able to load its content. Funny enough, it's all in one single file, core pack, which is 11 GB and contains all the assets. To use this editor, well, it takes a bit to start, give it a second. Where is it going? Ah, now, finally. Okay, you have to, when you start this, disable networking or find the right URLs and put them in your host files to redirect them. Anyway, it should, yeah, I have to check this. It should just fail and then continue. That's pretty much it. As you see, there's also no watermarks. And you can just create projects, open projects. It's a regular Unreal editor. So let's clear the view a little bit. As you can see, we're already in editor, but there's a lot of stuff that's just annoying. I can probably select multiples. Bam, okay. So what's left? Okay, let me quickly clear this up. What is this? It's a bit hard to select stuff here. Okay, who are you? Ah, yeah, that was it. Bound volume. Then again, what is this? Why I can't click this? I also still have to get used to this editor. Now I can click it. Ah, okay. Post process. Sunny day. Yeah, I think that's already most of it. Okay, there you have it. There's your editor. You can go into the scene and edit stuff. I'm not quite sure yet if you can compile something to an APK and play that. Here's, for example, the speed for the camera, so you can move faster or slower. All the assets in here are usually already grouped, as you can see, but you can right click it and ungroup. So then you can select them one by one and yeah, edit them. A lot of stuff in here obviously is in Chinese, so finding stuff here isn't easy. But let's see if I have my tool. Let me quickly check something. If you watch it with my tool, you will see the internal mapping of things is remapped. So they defined all these folders here is engine internal redefinition of path to find stuff. So you see this is a core pack. I can just open this. Oh, come on. Okay, so here stuff is way more ordered. So arts is usually all the meshes, textures, animations, what have you. For example, textures. I think this is the one I usually test. There you have it. And if you use my Unreal to Unity importer, you can just directly import this to Unity and all the other stuff, and also whole maps like these. These are already included, and I think those are available from the editor. And yeah, have fun. I'm pretty sure this editor was used to create PUBG Lite, or at least a version of it. So besides having similar assets, it definitely has some additional metadata and stuff that you can look around. And yeah, this will all be available in the download link. Well, have fun and have a nice day. Bye.